The Hollyland Lark M2 comes with 2 wireless mics and a receiver. And a great feature that it comes with is noise canceling. And in order to do that, you need to connect either a USB-C, Lightning, or the receiver to a camera with the volume controls and stuff like that. So right now, what we're going to do is we're going to test it on the iPhone 16. So I need a USB-C. I'm going to plug that in the bottom. I got 2 blinking lights, blue. When they're in blue, that means they're trying to connect to the wireless mics, but I need to pull one out. So once I pull this one out, close this up, it's going to locate it and turn it green. Once it's in the green mode, noise canceling is working. So we're going to connect it via the magnetic connection to our shirt. But when we do that, we want to make sure this mic is up facing towards our mouth so that we get good clear audio. To initiate a video, you double tap on this side button, the yellow button here, which I will show you in a second here. So I got this. I got it in my shirt right now. We're gonna start a video here. Video, turn it my way, and we got it here. Boom. The video is playing. Done. Now, another way to show that is through Holly Audio, the app. And in the app, there's an app update, but it should connect. Okay, so it immediately connected without even me trying to add it to it with a plus sign. But so now it's actively working. It says right here, noise canceling level. It's low. I can switch it to high. Or I can just turn it off at the time being. Turn it back on. And you can tell that the speaker's working, or the mic's working, because the receiver is giving you a signal that's controlling the decibels of my voice. And so I just got one mic right here. Mic 2 is open. It's got 100%, which you can wirelessly charge these once you put in here. It's kind of like an AirPod. You put it inside, it can charge, but this is also a charging port, even like Ray-Ban Meta glasses. So that is how you turn on noise canceling. I hope you liked this video. I'm going to be doing some rugged testing on these wireless mics with construction in my area, and the weather right now is very windy. So I wanted to test these around different locations to see how the noise canceling works. So hope you liked this video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.